News just coming in. SP MP is at the bulldozer action site. Mohibullah Nadvi seen at the demolition site where the chaos took place. Nadvi was seen arguing with the police, and the SP MP has spoken to NDTV. Nadvi has said, yes, I was present there. There on your screens, viewers, you can see the Samajwadi Party MP at the site where the demolition drive took place. When things were tense, he was there. Now he's come out and said and acknowledged his presence at the spot. Tejshri with us. Tejshri, what details can you share on this breaking news with us on Nadvi being present at the site? We're being told that he was holding conversations, very animated ones, with the police there. He was seen arguing with them.
Well, absolutely. That's what we can see in the video. The Samajwadi Party MP was present on the very site before the demolition drive, and in fact, that also was confirmed by the Joint CP exclusively to Times Now, to NDTV, who in fact stated that Joint CP Madhukar Verma in fact confirmed to NDTV that Samajwadi Party MP was present over here. He in fact stated that yes, there was a MP from a political party who was present, and now when we asked him that will he also be probed, will that angle be also included in the investigation, to what he said that yes, that angle will also be included in the investigation. Needs to be seen that now will that MP be summoned, and that's what we have been talking since morning, that was this entire incident orchestrated, because it was very much well organized, the manner in which they took place. And one of the eyewitnesses did tell us that it was the mob had around 150 to 200 individuals who gathered at this particular site from where we are reporting right now. And the picture of the Samajwadi Party MP that was also captured was also seen in this area where we have been reporting right now. Remember that as soon as he reached the site, the police was also in fact asking him to vacate the area as soon as possible, because police was very much sure that some kind of untoward incident could take place. That's a sensitive situation, and perhaps that is why, remember, that this entire encroachment drive started in the midnight. I would also like to show you the picture of Samajwadi Party MP who was present over here on the very location from where we are reporting right now, and it seems that this is the picture, and this is the same area from where we are reporting. He was asked to leave and vacate the place as soon as possible, but in fact when we did speak to him, then in fact he validated to the fact that why such kind of anti demolition drive was carried out, anti-encroachment drive was carried out. And in fact he further went on to say that people were actually angered and agitated for the manner in which this drive was carried out. So in a way, that's the big question, that is he validating for the kind of stone pelting that took place? And now what's the official stand of the Samajwadi Party? What the Samajwadi Party chief has to say on it, that needs to be seen. And that is also a big question, that what will happen as and when the investigation will unfold, and whether the MP will be summoned or not for this entire case. Because he was being pictured, his videos are all out now, and he is himself in fact accepting the fact that yes, he was very much present on the site.